Division of Motor Vehicles during non-working hours. Please listen to the following options as our menu has changed. For customer service, press 1. For the driver testing course, press 2. For the inspection station, press 3.
Okay, everyone, listen up. I've got 25 things to cover in 5 minutes, and I'm only going to cover 2.
To schedule an eye exam or photo ID, press 3-4.
Item 1. The DMV forefathers and mother have instituted a no-smoking policy for the entire Department of Motor Vehicles.
To hear this message in Spanish, press S. To hear this message in German, press G. To hear it in Hebrew, press the star key.
There's no smoking in the offices, no smoking in the lobby, no smoking in the garage, no toking in passenger vehicles.
For Portuguese, press 103. If you'd like to hear this message again, press enter. If you'd like to leave a message, hit the any key.
Where's the any key?
No smoking anywhere. That especially pertains to you, Mr. Bakwak.
Hey, that's doctor to you.
We have a new employee starting today. His name is Mario Murphy.
Hi, this is Mario Murphy. I'm supposed to start work today at 11, and the temp agency never emailed me the directions, and I don't have your address. If you could please call me back at the number that I left earlier.
And from the looks of his resume, it'll probably only last 3 hours. And for a lot of you, that's more time worked than you've worked in your entire careers, period.
What career? If you get any of the other 5 messages I left today, please just use this one.
Hi. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and dial again. For operator assistance, press 0. You have reached the Division of Motor... 0.
Meeting's over. Get back to work.
10:42 a.m. Goodbye.
Open the doors and let the public in.
I'm late.
I mean, all the way around the building.
They're in there. I'm trying to sit outside of the DMV, and you're completely shut up.
Over here! People in here!
Sir, I'm trying to get your attention. I need my driver's license.
Let's see. Dusty counter. We can't have that now, can we?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Come on, get up. Gee, I think something happened to him. Maybe he fainted or died.
And 3, 2, 1. How may I help you today?
I need to have my license renewed.
So, you want a new photo ID?
Yes, and I want my picture taken now.
Really?
Yes.
I'm gonna need 15 forms of identification.
15?
Birth certificate, social security card, car license, moped license, boat license, blood donor's card, credit card, library card, state marriage license, passport, high school diploma, college diploma, dog license, fishing license, and the type of toilet paper you use. I need
Toilet
15
paper?
forms of ID.
I never heard of anything so ridiculous.
Anyway, whatever.
May I speak to your boss?
Jerry to desk 2. Jerry to desk 2.
Thank you. Sorry. Thanks. Oh. Okay, I'll be right back with these.
Oh!
You must be the new guy. Mario, right?
Yeah, Mario Muppy. Moopy. Murphy.
Murphy.
Mario Murphy.
I'm Colleen. Colleen Chances.
Calling chances, right, yeah, calling chances.
Mario.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, I'll see you around.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, definitely.
Bye now.
Right, well, bye, yeah.
At departure room 69.
Yeah, now what?
This lady would like to speak to you.
Yes, I want to ask you what kind of a place you're running here. This employee asked me, a customer, what kind of toilet paper I'm using.
And?
And what? When did you ever hear anybody asking what kind of toilet paper you use? Is that something new?
Did you ask this lady what type of toilet paper she uses?
Miss Pine, I would never ask such a question.
Okay.
You're a liar. I hate to say that, but you are a liar.
Well, let's go back to that toilet paper. 2-ply or extra soft?
That's it. I'm leaving. Crazy people. Get me out of here.
Oh, well. Next.
Hi.
So, how can I help you today, little man, or is it little person? Or is it Mr. Midget?
I'm no midget.
So, how can I help you today, man seated in a chair?
I'm supposed to start work today, but the newspaper want ads didn't list the address, so I'm a little bit late.
And you're the new guy? Oh, you're the new guy. All right, I heard about you. You're the new guy.
Right, yeah, new guy.
All right, well, let's get you started then.
Okay.
Just walk around to the side door and... just come around to the side door here. Get you started. Okay.
I'm gonna be late. Let's go. Come on, this is crazy. Every single time I come, it's always like this.
Well, I left 5 messages on the answering machine, but I never got a call back.
Really? Well, I'll have to talk to public relations about that.
Public relations? Well, who's that?
Me.
I've been here for a long time.
Oh, I'm sorry. You've been waiting in the wrong line this whole time. You're gonna have to go to the next line over, and they can help you there.
What do you mean I've been waiting in the wrong line? I've been here for 45 minutes, and now I have to go over there?
Yes, it'll only be a half an hour wait, but somebody will help you. You've got it all straightened out.
You've got to be kidding me. Where's your supervisor? I need to talk to him.
Well, you can go to door 13 and speak with Dave, Mike, and Vince. It may be an additional 45 minutes, but they can help you out. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
No.
Hey, Diana Ross, how you doing? Holla back, youngin'.
What a loser.
Is that mother-daughter back there? Which one's which, huh? It don't matter. Hey, John, how you doing? Coochie coochie, huh?
Hi, Tony.
How's it going, all right?
All right.
Listen, take a look at this car. Isn't she a beauty? Huh?
What do you want, Tony?
I think it's a crime that the title says it's 120,000 miles on it.
And what?
And you know, I think the car, the model should reflect what the car looks like, you know, and not what it says on the dashboard. You know, 50,000 miles.
If you don't walk away right now, I'm going to call Danny over here, and you can discuss it with him.
So, I also act, and I stress the word act as the training manager here. So the first thing we're going to do is walk you around and introduce you to the crew. My name's Sean Malone. My jobs are rather varied here. In addition to being the head of the public relations, computers, and training, I'm also the head of video surveillance.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of responsibilities.
You're doing a disservice to the customer that's going to own this car someday, don't you?
Danny, can I talk with you for a minute? Okay.
Is there anything you could do to maybe?
Sure. Okay. Danny. Hi.
So, Kyle, what can I do you for? No, I know. You find me irresistible and just couldn't get through the day without seeing me up close in this uniform, right? So, what's it gonna be today? A late lunch or an early dinner?
I don't know, Danny. How about we call your wife and 3 kids and ask them what time they'd like to join us for dinner?
Do you like it here?
Are you kidding? I hate this place. But it's a government job, and I can do whatever I want without being responsible. But one day I'll have my degree in computer science and criminal law, and I'm gonna work for the CIA.
The CIA?
Or the FBI. I haven't decided yet.
So, are you the boss?
One could say that, yeah. Well, I should be.
Sean, now what are you doing and who's this?
Hi, I'm Mario. Mario Murphy, you must be...
Jerry Pine, the supervisor. Jerry. So, hey, wait, you're the new guy. Why didn't you tell me? Come on, Sean. Let's walk this guy through the motions. Make sure you steer this guy in all the right directions.
Miss Pine, I would never compromise my professionalism.
Whatever.
That is one scary lady.
You should see her when she's wearing women's clothing.
I heard that.
So you want to move to Australia and have babies?
Don't you have anything better to do? DMV.
Do you know what time you close today?
Yes, I do.
Hey, Sean, you being on the phone just reminded me of a joke.
Really? Well, enlighten me.
How did Helen Keller burn her face?
She answered the iron.
How'd you know?
Don't you have anything better to do?
There's nothing on TV but junk.
Hey, come on down and see Tony. We're rolling back the prices on everything right now.
Isn't Tony the worst guy in the world next to Dan?
This beautiful car. You know how much I can get for this car?
Can you believe you offered me $20 to turn back our computer's odometer readings?
I could get about $34,000 for this car. 76.
I hate this guy. I mean, what a waste of flesh.
Tony's honest. We're cutting back all kinds of dollars off these cars. It's a gorgeous car, and she's only got 50,000 miles on it. Tony's price for you is only $400 a month. Only $400 a month. Hey, sweetie, how you like your new car?
Tony, when should I come back to get the windshield fixed?
We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Hey, yo, bring in the next one. Here we go.
Mario!
Colleen!
Question for you.
Yeah.
What's going on?
What?
I've been following you around all day.
You have?
Following you around all day.
Oh,
You don't think I'm cute?
What? Oh, boy.
What's going on with that?
What?
Mario, why won't you go out with me? Is it because you're in a wheelchair?
I use a wheelchair, Colleen. Yeah, no, I mean first day, jitters and no, you're very.
And what?
You're
Mario,
cute.
what?
Oh, no.
I'll show
See,
you a piece of me.
Oh, no.
You like that?
No,
You scared?
We could.
You like that?
I could call you. We could talk.
Are you gonna leave?
No.
You're gonna stay? You gonna date me?
Yes. Dating
Tell
and
me you
staying.
date me,
Staying
Mario.
and dating.
Tell me you love me.
Yeah,
Mario, why won't you go out with me? How much do you love me, Mario, huh?
Oh.
I want to hear how much, Mario.
Please, oceans. Mount.
More.
Yes. Words can't say. If I could get up.
Sorry, it's not good enough.
Yes.
Mario, honey?
Yeah.
That's not enough.
Oh.
Is it because I'm fat?
Cars back there? Come on. Yeah. Earth to DMV. Come on, Earth to DMV, come on.
What kind of questions are these?
Sorry, pal. You failed.
That's it, I'm out of here.
Next. Hello, miss. Right this way. Let me see.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get you set up.
I've been here for a long time.
Hello, you ready to take your eye exam?
I certainly am. Thank you.
Are you wearing contact lenses?
Yes, I am.
You'll have to take them out.
I don't have anything to put them in.
You either take them out or you come back in 3 weeks. I'll write up the form.
What do I do with them?
You'll hold them in your hand.
Pansy. Nein!
Did I do something wrong, officer?
Did you do something wrong? You have endangered your life, and my life, and the lives of countless thousands of innocents with this expired windshield sticker.
That sticker's not expired. It's got 90 days left on it yet.
Oh, it may not be expired now, but I know how you men are. You won't get it done in time.
A ticket?
See that you pay that on time.
Don't cough.
I've had it with this place. This is so ridiculous. Why do I have to know the effects of beer and wine while driving a boat if a southbound train is traveling west at a speed of 75 miles per hour on a Tuesday morning?
I just make up the test, lady. I don't take them.
You're mental.
You can come in, miss. Ma'am, could you please look down towards the floor and not into the camera lens?
But that doesn't make any sense.
You mustn't let them get the upper hand. Ma'am, please do not look at...
If I don't look into the camera lens, the picture will look stupid.
Well, that's the point, ma'am. Oh, look! Someone dropped $1 on the floor.
Where? Hey, wait a minute!
And that's how you do it.
Seems pretty easy.
Naturally. Now, why don't you try some?
No, well, I mean, I thought maybe you could see out there. Yeah, I'm shorter than you are. All right, I'm looking. Yeah, you know.
Hey, look, a wad of 20s on the floor.
Where? Oh!
Very good, yes.
Hey, no, can I take that again?
No, start next.
What? I wasn't ready.
No, I know. Thanks for playing. Goodbye. Look, a conductor's baton. Hey, look, a bar of gold. That...
Is this some joke, you